Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add syntax highlighting to your Pelican project. So let's quick start one. And here title syntax highlighting. I will be the author, and what will be the default language? It's English, we don't have any. And yes, oh, we can leave these on the default. Let's open up the favorite editor that we have and let's create our content. So first.rst, let's call this syntax highlight demo. So basically this is a demo for syntax highlight Now what we can do is to use the following. If you have a restructured text format, you would define a code block and use the Python this way, and you could say that print syntax is highlighted, import this, and you could have the bash code block and say echo my first echo. Now what we can do is to call the Pelican content command, and what do we have? Code block declarative not found. Code block. So for restructured text, use the code block to specify the type of code highlighting, but it should be working. And for Markdown it is different. Oh, hold on. Could not find information about date, so let's give it a date, 2022-02-14, and we have one article processed, and let's see it in the browser. As you can see, syntax highlighting is working. So basically this error message was right because there should have been one empty line after that, but as you can see, this is how easy it is to give syntax highlighting to your static site. See you in the next one.